Hello, this is Kay Lowry, and today we're going to look at a piece of music and see if we can spot some musical symbols. Join me as we look at Happy Birthday. Let's take a look at the song Happy Birthday, and let's just see what we can find. At the very first here, we see a treble clef. I'm going to circle that. And then I'm going to put a box. It's kind of a sloppy box, but there it is. There's a box around the bass clef. Now here's a cool looking thing. They're kind of fun to draw. What I'm pointing the arrow to is called a brace. So we have treble clef, bass clef, a brace, and then there is a bar that holds these two clefs together and makes it into a grand staff. You'll also see these vertical lines, and they happen all over the place. Those are bar lines. In between the bar lines are what we call a measure. That's a measure. Also at the beginning are some numbers, and these numbers tell us how many beats in a measure and what kind of a note gets one beat. These numbers are called the time signature. So there you go. There's a lot of symbols in music. There's a brace, a bar, a treble clef, a bass clef, a time signature, bar lines, measures. Those are in between all the bar lines. And then we don't see it in this piece of music, but most of the time at the very end of the piece of music, we will see a thin line, and then, I don't know if I can draw it. If I get a highlighter, that might help me. After the thin line, we have a thick line. It doesn't exactly look like that, but you'll spot it in your music. And the thin line and the thick line are called a double bar line. Hope you enjoyed looking at this music and spotting all the musical symbols.